40s. Yeah, that's nice. All right. Well, despite the frigid temps and all this snow on the ground, rest assured, spring is on the way. And with it comes Colorado's peak moving season, when many folks begin looking for a new place to live. And if you are renting, you're going to want to consider renter's insurance. None of us like to pay for it, but hey, it comes in handy. So here to discuss this is AAA insurance expert Skylar McKinley. Thanks for joining us. We were both saying we're ready for spring. First of all, why is renter's insurance such a good idea?
So a lot of folks get confused and they think, oh, I'm renting my landlord's insurance. It's going to cover all my property. Your landlord's insurance covers your landlord's property, the building, the pipes, and really is only for damage that he or she is responsible for. If you create damage, if you flood your apartment and you lose your flat screen TV, or you start a fire and your entire wardrobe is burnt up, you're on the line for that. That's not going to be covered by your landlord. And by the way, it adds up fast. You think people say, oh, I can't possibly have $20,000 worth of goods. You'd be surprised. It really adds up. So what renter's insurance, it provides you peace of mind, and it protects your belongings in the event that something happens, and stuff does happen. As much as we don't like paying for insurance, we hate paying the cost of replacing all of our items on our own.
Right. You never think it's going to happen to you until it does. So what are some of the other benefits of renter's insurance?
The big thing, the most important reason why every renter should have renter's insurance is what's called liability coverage. So if I flood my apartment or I start a fire in my apartment and it burns the entire building up, I'm on the line, not just for my belongings, but for the damage to the building and for my neighbor's belongings. There's no way I can pay that out of pocket, right?
Absolutely. What tips would you give for renters and people shopping for renter's insurance?
Call an insurance agent and always go with the higher limits. Because it's so cheap, it's a couple $100s a year. You want those higher limits so you're covered in case you cause some damage to your own property or somebody else's.
Okay, and I have a little tip for people. Make sure that your coverage actually covers everything that you have, because sometimes it's capped off at a certain...
Always call an agent. They're going to know best, and they're there to help you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Skylar. We're glad to have you here with us today.